Okay, I'm going to try to make this one quick. This is about the Elgato Prompter. The reason I have to make it quick, I have to be on a Zoom call in a few minutes. But there are issues that I was having. I don't know if anyone else is having this. Now, the prompter is probably the best new teleprompter I've seen. It's awesome. Problem is, I couldn't get the software to connect. And in ways, I mean, I've already done like multiple videos with it. The thing is, it screen mirrors. And I can't do all that cool stuff, and I couldn't run their teleprompting software, but I ran my own, which may be better because it's voice activated. But that's beside the fact, because some of you may not be wanting to pay that kind of money for voice activated teleprompter software. So anywho, I've been working with Elgato for a good hot minute now. We've been on the phone, been back and forth with emails. Nothing they gave me worked, and it just blew me away. So I don't know still, this could be a bad teleprompter, but I don't think it is, and I think it's an issue people may be having, but they give up because they can make it work. And something about me, I don't want to just make it work, I want to make it right. Because like one time I was with this service, well, I'm still with them, called Land Voice, and they're supposed to send you like the people who expire and all this stuff, the new sell by owners and all that stuff. So one day I didn't get my email. So about noonish or so, I finally called them up. I'm like, what's up? I didn't get my morning email. And they go through, it's like, oh my God. Something went wrong with the system. Also, like, I didn't get an email. They're like, no one got an email, and you're the only person who called. Okay, I'm out there like that. So anyway, what went wrong? I think I figured it out, so we'll see, because I had to go through a total of 6 computers, 4 laptops, 2 borrowed, 2 of my own, a desktop, which it worked on, and a MacBook Pro, which it worked on. So I'm like, why does it work on these and not this? So it works, but why not these? So I noticed a pattern. I'm going to go through the pattern with you real quick. So like, I'm going to go ahead and try, I kind of giving it away a little bit here, but I'm going to try to open up the Elgato software. Now this may end up working because I've made it work, and now it maybe, you know, like it can't go. Okay, it won't do it. It will not initialize. So watch this. This is where the issue was. So when I was looking on the desktop, because I have 3 monitors on the desktop, it showed up as an additional monitor. When it checked on the MacBook Pro, it was an additional monitor. Right now it's doing 1, 2, so it's mirroring. So I got a thought in my head. Check this out, check this out. I take it, I go from mirroring, which is duplicate displays, to extend the displays. Look what just happened. That's the Elgato software running, huh? So if I were to go to Elgato here, and it's just making me look like a punk because I forgot I have to do a restart. I ain't gonna wait for a restart. I can tell you right now what's gonna happen. You know what? I'm gonna do I got 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're on. Okay, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Hold up. I'll just be a little bit late. But you can see it's working because it's right there. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me try something real quick. I'm just going to try this. I hate when it does that. It's like, we want you to see our crap more than anything else. Okay, so I'm going to quit the camera hub. Now I'm going to bring it back. Oh, by the way, you can see this is an extended display. Hopefully you should see that. Now I'm going to bring up the Elgato. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Initializing. Woo, there she is. So that is the solution to Elgato. Thank you for working with me on the phone, through emails and everything. But it was none of the above. This is the solution when someone's having an issue. They need to go. If it's just showing their screen, switch from mirroring to extended display, and it's probably something that needs to be addressed, possibly, I don't know. But I don't know if I was the only one, but or if it's this. There you go, little sucker here, because 2 Dell's laptops, an HP laptop. Oh no, 2 HP laptops. So 2 Dells, 2 HP laptops, a Dell desktop, which it worked on, and a MacBook Pro, which it worked on out of the gate. The difference is they were set to automatically go to extended instead of mirroring. If I'd say it was just one setting, but we're talking 4 PC laptops where it didn't work. So there she is. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I think this is a useful video that I put out. See you guys.